the Paggara crown upon his head, where the generations wept and bled. He wears the turban of the brave, the king of sea and wave. Bhej Paggara the faithful call, a spiritual guide above them all. He heals the broken, calms the fear, the Murshid loved forever near. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Mehmouna Baloch, daughter of Muhammad Irfan Baloch. Again, I am in front of you all to have discussion on some important issues regarding Khalifa and Hur Jamaat. So back to year 2025 on 4th Zilhaj. Some issues were created between Khalifa and Hur Jamaat at Dargah Sharif. On that day, some honorable people like Weriam Faqir, our previous Khalifa, and my father, Muhammad Irfan Baloch, their hands were closed according to the rules and regulations of Dargah Sharif. But we still don't know the reason. We still don't know the authentic reason why they were penalized, why their hands were closed. Even they have worked for Hur Jamaat. We are much more familiar with the Weriam Faqir's family. He has even sacrificed his family members. They have even sacrificed their lives for Hur Jamaat. Moreover, if we talk about the Baloch family, my own grandfather, Dr. Nabi Baksh Khan Baloch, has also worked for Hur Jamaat. Still, there is no response. No one is looking forward to solve this issue. As P. Paggara said, Jamaat's daughter is my own daughter. On behalf of being a daughter, I request our Murshid, our spiritual, humble and wise leader to solve these issues, because these issues are causing further disputes among Hur Jamaat. I hope these issues will be solved as soon as possible. Signing off, Mehmouna Baloch, Al Hafiz. Bhej Paggara.